Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the lung cancer detection using chest x-ray. So these are the x-ray images of 4 different classes. Normal images. So these are 4 classes which we train our model from those images. These are the validation folder, testing folder and training folder. These 3 folders contain all those images. Okay, just scroll down, go back, and explore one by one folder. On 4 classes we train the complete model. Okay, and according to that particular dataset, the model will train, and it will predict that suffering from which disease. Okay, so it will classify the type of disease. So these are the complete images. Let's go back. This is the complete project folder. These are images for the user interface, like these are 4 buttons and the home and about us. And this is the model folder. These are the test images. Okay, and this is the requirement file. Now open the terminal, like python space main.py. Okay, a model will load and user interface will open, and the user interface developed using tkinter, that is Python inbuilt library. So model is loading. User interface, about us page. Okay, and this is the exit button. Let's click on no and okay. Now browse any image, like I'm just selecting this image, and click on the predict output button. So it will predict the output, like large cell carcinoma left with the 49.03%. okay, it will open the figure. Let's close it. This is the complete project, and thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.